Hello guys, this is my 993 C4S. I got it since day one, so I'm the only owner, and I'm starting getting this problem with the horn being too sensitive. So I'm gonna do that little O-ring thingy. I bought this from Office Depot. The O-rings and the little tool with the Torx T30. So the first step that we have to do is disconnect the battery. I'm gonna do it right now. So the battery is unplugged. I just put a plastic there, just in case it doesn't touch by mistake. Because if you're working on the airbag and then you get some power, you might get the air light bag, and that's a pain to clear. All right, so let's go to the next step. Of course, we have to open the contact, otherwise, the steering wheel wouldn't turn. So you open the contact and start getting the two screws which are behind. Behind this, was it 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock? It's easy to find. This is put it here. Let's see if this can focus on this thing right there. And just unscrew it. I think it's this way. You break it loose and just unscrew it. This way. Okay, this way. Got it. It's a bit of a minor pain, but no big deal. I lost it. I got it loose now. Then you do the other one. Just put it at 9 o'clock thingy and do the same way. It is the T30. Okay, that after it clicks, it snaps, then you just flip. The first one is tough. Let's see that way. Am I doing it right? I was doing it wrong. That's right. This way. Okay. Right. It's back. And then there's the torque thing. Okay, broke. It's kind of a pain, it's a bit tight. Once it breaks loose, no problem. See? Very easy. Okay. I think it's almost out. I can easily untwist it. Okay. Sounds like it's out. Let's find out. There we are. Unscrew the bolts, the thingies, open the thing, and there we are. That's the airbag. These are the four corners. They're supposed to be 19s, and we're gonna put the O-rings there so we don't get that sensitive horn with a $3 repair rather than changing the whole airbag. Because what I've heard is that this bracket is very hard to get, and they reissue this bracket. Of course, the holes are supposed to be shifted So you may they want you to buy the whole airbag kit, which of course we're not doing. Of course I didn't have a 19, so let's just use a vice grip. These are supposed to be put just not so tight, so it's easy to undo them. So that's what I'm doing right now. I don't know, I think I have to take that plug out of the... Let me try not to do it without that, because it's just a matter of putting the O-rings behind each of these corners. So, as you can see, they're easy. They come out very easy. They're not tight, and when you put it back, you're not supposed to put it tight either. So this vice grip is on the job. I think it's loose enough to do it with a finger. Okay, so I'm making some little progress. I didn't unplug anything. I think I'm gonna do it without unplugging anything. I just got the 2 bolts on the top. I'm gonna get the 2 ones on the bottom. They're the same, so I don't have to keep the order. So easy job. My vice grip did it. You know, a DIY with never 19, but that's how it goes. That's my O-rings I got from Home Depot. Just open this thing. I'm supposed to put it back and forth on each corner of these things. Right here, here on the back. And put it back. I'll do that. So you put it back and forth, right? So here's in the back, and here's in the front. Yeah, they do fit. The number 31 does fit. Just I don't have 2 hands to put the camera there, but okay. It's easy. Let me put it in all 4 corners and put. Okay, got the O-rings on each corner, back and front. Now just put it back. I didn't unplug anything. Yeah, make sure the screws on the bottom are lined up. That's all. All right, this looks good. Okay, got him back. You're supposed just to close it, not so tight. As I said, I didn't unplug anything. Just put the airbag on the top. I think we don't even have to take the battery out, but you know, just to be safe. And then just screw all the way in with the, at least in my case, with the vice grip. Yeah, I didn't have my 19. I couldn't find it, but anyway. That's easy. Now this is just simple. Come on. So let me finish and come back to you. Okay, got my 4 corners closed, not so tight, just you know, until it goes. See, they're all cool. I'll just put the airbag back and we should be good to go. So let's look for the screw. See if it caught. I think it caught there. Yeah, one is there. Don't tighten it yet. Let me do the other one. And then we tighten it. This was supposed to be a bit tight, so they don't get out of focus. I'm doing slowly, one at a time. Let me see if I can find it. Cut. It's kind of hard to see, but anyway. I'm not sure if it caught. Let's see. Yeah, it did. Okay, they're not tight. So let me take the other one. And I should be good to go. Plug the battery and back to good before. Okay. Let's tie this one up a little bit. Yeah, I think it was like this. Enough. Let's do the other one. Same deal. 9 and 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. Okay, we'll do this. Let's see. shortcut. So we go this way, tight it a little bit. That's enough. Right. So we should be good. Okay, looks good. Now let's do the test with the battery. So plug the battery. Works good. That's cool, man. Yeah, done.